Someone lands on your LinkedIn profile today, will they understand what you do, what kind of role you want, and why they should keep reading in about 10 seconds? If the answer is no, this video is for you. And I need you to stick around to the end because I have some free training that is coming up, and that information is below, as well as another little surprise or bonus for you. So stick around to the end. As you know, I'm Cynthia, or as most of you know, I'm Cynthia with HR by Nnamtique. And today we are going to talk about LinkedIn first impressions because they matter more than many job seekers realize. A lot of people treat LinkedIn like an online resume archive, but LinkedIn is more than that. It's a visibility tool, a credibility tool, and in many cases, a recruiter's first quick read on whether you might fit a role. So let's talk about what recruiters often notice first and what you should fix first if your profile is not doing enough for you. In the first few seconds, people are usually noticing your photo, banner, headline, current role framing, and whether your profile feels clear or confusing. They're not studying every line, not quite yet. They're scanning for signals. Does this person look credible? Do they seem aligned with the kind of work they want? Is this profile active, current, and intentional? That is the first impression game. Your photo does not have to be fancy, but it should look professional, current, and yes, approachable. Your banner is extra space that can help reinforce your message. It can reflect your niche, your focus, or your professional brand. Do not leave strategic real estate empty if you can help it. Your headline matters a lot. That goes without saying. That's a given. However, too many headlines only list a current job title. That is not always enough. A stronger headline can include your function, your value, and the type or kind of work you are known for. For example, instead of saying HR professional, you might say something like HR leader / employee relations, talent strategist, manager, coaching, and workplace problem solving. That gives people more signals. And for Fix 3, your About section should not read like a cold summary from a resume. It should sound like a clear, confident introduction. What do you do well? What kinds of problems do you help solve? What kinds of environments have shaped your experience? And what direction are you moving toward now? That section helps people understand not just your history, but your professional identity. So Fix 4 is your featured section and activity. So if your profile has a featured section, use it and add proof. Add a portfolio item, a strong post, a webinar, a project, a media mention, a work sample, something that gives people a stronger sense of your expertise. Your activity also matters. When someone sees thoughtful, relevant content, they get more evidence that you are engaged and informed. So now we get to fix five. And that's where alignment comes in. So this is the big one. Your profile should align with the role you want now. If your headline says one thing, your about section says another, your content suggests something else, and your resume is aimed elsewhere, guess what? Your profile becomes confusing. See, clarity wins. You do not need to tell every part of your professional history equally. You need to tell the clearest story for where you are going. So, if your LinkedIn profile has been sitting there untouched for a while, do not judge yourself. Just decide that this is the week you will start tightening it. So, how do you do that? You do that by first picking three things. Maybe you'll pick your headline, your about section, and your featured proof. That alone can improve how people read you. And remember, visibility is not vanity. It is access. It helps the right people see you more clearly. So, if you want practical support for improving your profile, my HRBN profile visibility and branding coach was built to help with exactly this. And if you want broader strategic support around your search, Career Search RX is there for that higher touch help. You do not need a perfect portfolio or profile. You need a clearer one. And that is absolutely something you can build. So, if this video has provided you with value, do me a few favors. First, give me a like so that YouTube knows that this is great content that other job seekers like you who are trying to live their best career life can use. Also, share. Share the link to this video with your network. I'm sure you know others who are looking to make a career change, land their next awesome career opportunity. And also, do me another favor. Because some of you watch but you don't subscribe, please consider joining the HR by Nnamtique fold. So, and clicking on that notification bell so that you can be amongst the first to know when I drop new content that will help you along your job search journey. I would greatly appreciate it because, as you know, my number one objective is to help you live your best career life and to reduce the overwhelm that's often associated with the job search. So, I'll see you in the next video. Career search success to you. Go get your new job.